Hey fellas, let's check what we have here. We have the Milwaukee M18 drill, and as normal for the Milwaukee, it's just not working, nothing happens. So we have the replacement unit for this one, and the part number, you can see it's a little bit too light here. Okay, I don't know, I hope you can see it on a video. This is the part number. Okay, let's check. Of course, we have some dust here. I will try to brush them out. Okay, we can just take it like that. We have some dust on housing. Okay, I will pause the video and clean it. Okay, got it for the small clean, not perfect clean, small clean, no washing or something. And yeah, no, that's a bad repair, so on. Okay. Let's check what we can do here. We can try to put everything back. Okay, now we can check if I have put the speed changer in the right direction. I think I have put it wrong. Let's check. Can it be now switch it? Oh no. think it must be like that. We'll check it. And yeah, it can be switched here and here. Okay. Let's check if it cannot be closed nice and without pores. Probably it's a Milwaukee or it's a bad assemble. One of two. Okay, let's check it again. I had the battery terminal here. Of course, the wire is popping out. Okay. Let's check what can we do here. Nothing. We need to check why it's don't want to be closed, and probably have the motor inserted not in a place. It seems good. It seems like not moving, but maybe something is not fitting here. Alright, and when I see on the field it looks like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, seems that this will be good. We'll check it soon. Okay, it looks assembled. Now we can take the battery, test it. It works. So it works, it hammers, that's good. Thank you, bye.